Hi everyone. Today here in this video I am going to show how to make a finger millet roti. This food item is a more health is having more health benefits, and it is easy to make within 5 minutes at your home. And these are the following ingredients we require. So the main thing required is finger millet. So I have taken 150 grams of finger millet, and I have taken one onion, so that has been finely chopped, and I have taken garlic, a finely chopped garlic of 1 spoon, and also ginger, so which is also been finely chopped and it is also 1 spoon, and green chilies. I have taken 2 green chilies, and if you feel to have more spicy, you can have it more you require as per your taste, and salt as per your taste, and 1 spoon of olive oil, and lukewarm water. So first I am adding these chopped onions to this finger millet. So add all these ingredients which we have been chopped to this millet. So then add salt as per the taste. So that is how much required. I am adding a half spoon of salt, and then add lukewarm water, and make the dough like how we make for a puri or a chapati. So see, the dough is going to be get like this, the consistency. So like this the puri dough or the chapati dough, as I said. So after finally getting this dough, so add the 1 spoon of olive oil to this dough, and finally mix it well. And also I have added one small amount of chili flakes to this to enhance the taste. Take the required content of mixed millet from the made so take the required amount of millet from the dough, and keep spreading this on a polythene sheet or something where, so this should not get stick onto that. So take a sort of material, and keep spreading this like a roti or something, so to as far as the size possible, and ensure that it is being very much thin. So I have spreaded this like this. As far as possible, it made it thin, but don't make it so much of thin, so it is going to break, it will break in between. And switch on the stove, and keep a pan on the stove so that it will be getting heated. Add a little amount of oil so that it gets heated up. The spreaded millet mix is now transferred onto the heated pan, and here we no need to add any oil that to get fry up. After some time, after it's getting roasted like this, and flip over that to the other side. So in the meanwhile, it's getting fry on the other side. So let me get you the knowledge regarding what are the benefits of these millet roti. So the health benefits, as we are aware of now. So what are the ingredients that we have added? So the main ingredient of this food item is finger millet, and that has got an excellent that is an excellent source of natural calcium, so which helps in strengthening of bones for growing children and aging people. So regular consumption of finger millet is good for bone health. And then we have added onion in that, so where so this onion has got more benefits, so which is an antioxidant, and that contains cancer fighting compounds and help control blood sugar, so it boosts the bone density, and it has also got antibacterial properties. And we have also added ginger, so which acts as anti-inflammatory, and that reduces the risk of cancer. And we have added a chili flakes for enhancing the taste, which acts as anti-aging, and that protects the skin. so that acts as aging, that reduces the aging effect. So then we have added garlic, so which acts, which is an antibiotic and protects to avoid cold and reduces the risk of cancer. And one thing to recollect here, so here to this mix, so we have while mixing that all the ingredients, so if you observe, I have added only 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and nowhere else I am using the oil, so which indicates that so this item doesn't requires much amount of oil, which is one more health benefit we need to observe. So this olive oil has got very anti-inflammatory properties, so it also help prevent strokes, and olive oil is protects against heart diseases, and also it reduces obesity. After getting the two sides roasted to some, I mean fried up to some extent, so transfer this onto the stove directly and light up, and so that so this will get smoky effect, which in the sense, so internally, so the mixture might not get fried up. So if you are going to do like this, so the internal mixture also going to get fried up well. So flip it on and get it fried on both the sides directly on the stove. So we have seen now, so what are the benefits of each and every ingredient that we have added, and finally the thing is, so all those ingredients what you have been seeing, so they boost up the immunity, especially in this scenario, at the situation of this COVID. So the ingredients what we have added, so they are going to boost up the immunity of the person. And finally, so the millet roti was ready and it was being served in the plate, so to have it. So one can have it directly as it is, without any side dish. So or you can have a side dish of your own taste, as per your taste. You can have a tomato chutney, or you can have anything. You can have added ghee, so that energizes the taste. Finally, thank you. So have this item and immunity. Thank you.